So, CARB, the California Air Resources Board, had another workshop this morning, and there are several new important key takeaways.
Yeah, Emily, a big one that was announced today is that your greenhouse gas emission reports, your 253 reports, are going to be due June 30, 2026, and the limited assurance has to be obtained prior to that. So that is new. And then they reaffirmed that by January 1st, the 261 report is going to be due.
We also learned on the flip side that companies that are nonprofits or whose only connection to the state of California is having a teleworker there are likely to be exempt from both obligations under 253 and 261.
And Ted, what they also shared is that they're looking at databases to see who is going to be subject to this regulation. And so they're looking at Dun and Bradstreet databases to look at company size, and they're looking at California Secretary of State databases to see which companies are doing business in the state. And so they are looking at lists and producing lists, and they will make them public.
And what about they also made a comment on good faith effort?
Yeah, good point, Emily. What they said there was to meet that good faith effort threshold, which they have this time around, you need to be grounding your submission in data. And so if your strategy was, I'm going to go generate a ChatGPT report and submit that, that is not going to be accepted because it has to be grounded in your own company data.